Hi, let's install your outdoor Wi-Fi system using the wireless method.
The U4HM can be wall-mounted or pole-mounted.
Make sure you have a power outlet close by and find a location free of obstructions. Ensure you mount the equipment at a height of 6 feet or higher to ensure proper signal propagation. Attach the mounting plate to the wall or pole. Remove the base cover and thread the power cord through it. Reconnect the base cover. Plug the power adapter into your power outlet, powering up the system. After you have installed the power cord, the outdoor Wi-Fi system is ready to power up and connect to the network. As the system powers up and begins its startup sequence, you'll see a flashing green LED. Secure the power cable outdoors as appropriate. Go to the Valley Wi-Fi Manager app and add the outdoor device from the Network tab by clicking Add Equipment. Then, scan the QR code on the back of the Wi-Fi system to finalize setup. The final setup process will take between 10 and 15 minutes. While the system is connecting and downloads the software, you will see a red light to flashing amber to off. Then the light will flash amber again, and finally it will go back to green. If the light does not turn green, unplug and try again. Call your service provider if the issue persists. Finally, slide the GigaSpire onto the mounting bracket. That's all. Enjoy your Wi-Fi and visit vtc.net for complete installation instructions.